Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial video, and in this short tutorial video I'll be showing you how to stake Solana on Drift. It's easy to get this done. Once you follow the link in the description of the video, you're logged onto the Drift platform, and now to begin staking or to stake your Solana on Drift, you first need to connect your wallet. So simply click on connect wallet, and you'd find that you're met with some terms and conditions which you have to read through. So please make sure you read through, as this is not financial advice. And once you've filled in the boxes, once you've ticked the boxes, you can then click on agree and continue. So simply click on agree and continue. And now simply select your Phantom wallet. So make sure you have your Phantom wallet set up with some Solana inside. As in this tutorial video, I'll be using my Phantom wallet that contains Solana tokens to stake on the Drift platform. So now once you've selected Phantom wallet as the wallet of choice, make sure you have some Solana tokens inside of your Phantom wallet. And with that in mind, select Phantom on the wallet you wish to connect to Drift, select the Phantom wallet, and simply click on approve or confirm the connection. Click on connect. So guys, once your wallet has been connected, your next step is to simply fund your wallet. That is, if you do not have Solana tokens on your wallet, you're given the option to either scan the QR code or copy your wallet address and fund from a centralized exchange or a decentralized exchange, as the case may be. Okay guys, so your next step after funding your account is to note that you need to deposit collateral on Drift. So now your collateral, which is $50, your collateral, which is $50, is deposited in Sol. And to create a new account and deposit assets, you need to have 0.2328 Solana in your wallet to cover the account creation and transaction fees on Sol. So you could choose to do this immediately, or you could click on deposit later. So I'll be selecting deposit later. So guys, once you click on deposit later, you would find yourself on the staking platform, which is the Drift. And once you're on Drift stake, you simply locate the token you would like to stake. There's USDC, Solana, Marinade, Ethereum, Pyth, and Droop. These are amongst many of the tokens that can be staked on the platform. Now, in order to stake, you must have a wallet balance, and your wallet balance is enabled when you click on the deposit option. So by clicking on this deposit option, you're met with the statements that you're met with the disclaimer that says you must have $20 worth of SOL on your account to be able to start staking or to stake. And you could deposit any form of Solana tokens, and you could deposit Solana tokens here as well as some Ethereum, which is the wrapped Ethereum and USDT. Now, once you're on the platform and you've deposited some crypto, all you need to do is simply hit the stake option, enter the amount of tokens you wish to stake, and simply stake your tokens. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can stake Solana on Drift, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.